Strap replacement instructions can be found on the back of the box or with the enclosed pamphlet. First, decompress the spring, neutralizing your GopherHawk trap, twisting past the yellow indicator lines, opening room to grip once the outer tube is locked in place. Strap sets are attached at 3 points, here, here, and here. Remove screws one at a time and set aside. Dispose of old straps and fit with the replacement. Save screws for use with the new strap set. Take care not to over-tighten screws. When complete, strike to disengage, carefully cover new straps, and compress spring until it clicks. Test the mechanism and you're ready to get trapping.